Welcome back to Roma's Kitchen, guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a super easy potato salad that's perfect to go with your dinner today. So stick around right after this intro.
Can't cook. Ticket you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
I'm only using 2.5 potatoes today, and I'm going to be removing the skin from these. And then once you've done that, you want to ensure that you have a container with some water, because you don't want these to go brown on you. And then you just want to cut your potatoes into some nice bite-sized pieces, just so the potatoes are still nice and together after they've been cooked. Because if you cut these too small, once they've cooked, they'll kind of fall apart, and then you'll get something like a mashed potato, and that's not what we're working with here today. Now it's time to get these on the stove. First things first, you need to change the water and add about a half teaspoon of salt. And I'm also adding here 2 eggs, and I've washed my eggs before. Mixing everything together, that's the salt and the water to be exact. Now I'm going to cover this and allow this to boil until the potatoes are nice and soft. Around 15 minutes will do. Now I'm going to move on to preparing some other things for my salad. So here I have red and green bell peppers and some little red onions. I don't like onions that much in my potato salad, but I'll just be adding a little today. You can add as much as you like. Here I've just chopped them into some small pieces. If you like these bigger, go ahead and make them bigger or chunkier. Now here I'm going to be adding in 1 can of corn. I really love corn in my potato salad, so I'm adding more corn than bell peppers and onions. Next, you want to gather some black pepper and some mayo. Now 15 minutes later, the potatoes are nice and ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So the potato has been cooked, but it's not falling apart. That means it's nice and ready, and this is perfect for a potato salad. But if you're making mashed potatoes, you might want these to be very soft, but this is perfect for potato salad. They're still nice and together. Lovely. And if you'd like, you could cut these just a little smaller than this, but not too small, because as I said, you don't want these to actually fall apart. Look at this, perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this water away. Lovely. Now for my eggs, I'm going to be removing the shell of the eggs. Then I'm just going to cut the eggs up into some small pieces. Just chop them up and then just add them to your potatoes. And I like doing everything while my potatoes are still nice and steamy, even though this is something that you want to actually eat when it's a bit cool. So just chop up your eggs, cut them into some small pieces. You don't have to be fancy about this, guys. Perfect. Add these all in with my potatoes. Now time to add in the corn, the bell peppers, and the red onion. Add that all in. Now I'm mixing everything here together. Then I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, I'm going to go in with just about a cup of mayo. You need this nice and filled with mayonnaise. And once I get that all in, I'm just going to mix everything together. Mix very well. And I'm not adding any more salt right now, just because I've added enough salt from this was cooking. And you don't want this to be salty, guys. The egg actually gives this a little sweetness about it. And guys, believe it or not, this is nice and ready. After you've mixed everything together, nice and ready. Look at this, guys, looking good, and trust me, tasted even better. I've added some dried oregano on top of it and some scallion just for the sake of presentation, plus the oregano tastes really good with this. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this video, and if it was as super easy as I said it was. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.